Are you living in a place far from concrete and paved roads and would like to find a ride that's both cost efficient and can get you to your desired destination without breaking a sweat? No worries. Today in Electric Bike Paradise, we are giving you a list of some of the best electric bikes suited for off-road riding. But before we start, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and click on that notification bell to get notified with more videos like this. Number 5. Revi Bikes Cheetah. The Revi Bikes Cheetah electric bikes is an ideal electric bike for you if you are living in an urban environment full of surprises, including off-road areas. This road bike-inspired electric bike features a 750-watt Bafeng high-speed motor. It can travel long distances ranging up to 35 miles through its Samsung 13 amp-hour battery. The Revi Bikes Cheetah features twist throttle and pedal assist functions. The bike comes with up to 9 levels of assist for accurate control of the ride. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. It has a redesigned Velo wide saddle showcasing both style and comfort, presenting the classic vintage cafe racer style along with its premium components consisting of 4-inch wide fat tires, Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, 6061 aluminum alloy frame, and KMC anti-rust chain. This makes the Revi Bikes Cheetah a great choice for on- and off-road transportation. Number 4. Nakto Ranger. The Nakto Ranger electric bike is a stylish mountain bike that offers excellent off-road performance with its 350-watt brushless hub motor, a set of 36-volt lithium-ion battery packs with a 10 amp-hour capacity, front fork suspension, front and rear disc brakes, and CST Jackrabbit tires. It features a twist throttle and a 5-level pedal assist function with a speed sensor giving you 2 travel options. The Nakto Ranger commuter bike has a range of 22 to 28 miles and can run up to 35 kilometers per hour, allowing you to get from point A to point B without any effort. The bike also comes with a 6-speed Shimano derailleur to control and ride it like an ordinary bike. Designed for daily mobility and for traveling off-road paths, it is perfect for exploring nature trails as a daily ride or for doing errands, making the Nakto Ranger electric bike the ideal mountain bike for everyday adventures. Number 3. Rambo Pursuit. The Rambo Bikes 2021 The Pursuit electric bike is an excellent ride for nature trails and a high-performance bike for city cruising. Its high-torque 750-watt brushless Bafeng BBS02 motor can deliver a top speed of 20 miles per hour and can travel up to 35 miles on a single charge, with the help of its 14 amp-hour power pack consisting of Samsung lithium-ion batteries. This model features a rust-resistant and lightweight 6061 aluminum frame, with a max capacity of the bike that is 300 pounds. It is equipped with adjustable 180 mm Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, Kenda Crusade fat tires with Kevlar anti-puncture protection, and double-wall 26-inch rims for ultimate off-roading performance, making the Rambo Pursuit a reliable choice for hunting trips. Number 2. Cyrusher XF650. The Cyrusher XF650 electric bike is a perfect commuter or adventure bike that you can ride for long distances. This electric bike features a true ruggedized yet classic MTB-style frame, equipped with a 1000-watt LKS brushless electric motor, along with a 13 amp-hour power pack consisting of lithium-ion batteries. This electric mountain bike has a fast top speed of 25 miles per hour and can travel up to 50 miles on a single charge. It is also equipped with 180mm mechanical zoom disc brakes that has a motor cutoff feature, providing additional safety measure when disengaging. The Cyrusher XF650 comes with a front fork suspension, sporty 26-inch rims, 12-gauge stainless steel spokes, Chaoyang fat tires, an integrated rear rack, and a bright LED headlight, gearing you up for your daily travel challenges. This electric bike is ideal for casual rides, commuting, and distant outdoor adventures. Number 1. E-Wheels BAM EW Supreme. The EW Supreme offers excellent off-road riding capabilities through its premium design and components. Powered by a robust 48-volt 750-watt DC hub motor, this electric bike can easily hit speeds of up to 20 miles per hour on the throttle alone. It has a range of 25 to 45 miles powered by its 14 amp-hour Samsung lithium-ion battery pack. It also has a front suspension fork and large 26-inch rims with 4-inch all-terrain fat tires, gearing it up for off-road situations. The bike also comes with a 7-speed Shimano derailleur and an intelligent 5-level pedal assist to allow smooth and quick acceleration. Well designed for extreme riding situations, the E-Wheels BAM EW Supreme is absolutely an e-bike for off-road riding. Now there you have it for our list of best electric bikes for off-roading. Comment below on what video you'd want to see next. You can check the complete list down below, or you can visit us at electricbikeparadise.com. For more products and anything electric bike related, you can also contact our customer service team at 800-590-2738. As always, we ensure you the best quality and standard for the lowest prices.